Dude, kids. Oh, it's a beautiful day for fishing, Ryan. You want to do some fishing? Yeah, what do we need for fishing? We need a fishing rod. We need some bait. Where's the bait? Yeah. We need a hat. Yeah. We need a cooler bag. Oh, we need some fish. Yeah. Is Bubba gonna join us too?
Yeah.
Okay, he can do some fishing. Are we gonna catch lots of fish today?
Yes.
Okay.
Baba.
Bubba needs to go fishing too?
Yes. Hi.
Bubba needs his hat?
Yes.
Okay.
My food there.
Is it in your room?
Yeah.
Okay, go get it. Fishing! Oh, what have you got? A purple fish! Purple and yellow! Oh, into the esky! What are you gonna get next, Brian? Is that a lobster?
Yeah.
Can I see? You show Mummy? What is it? Oh, a lobster! Oh, a red crab! And it's got some orange on it. Look at its eyes.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Bye.
Oh, a shark! Are you walking on water, Zach? What's next?
Oh.
Wow! Ooh, a blue whale! Wow, a purple seahorse! Is it a good day for fishing?
Yeah.
What colour's our fish?
Blue.
Blue, and it's orange as well? It's got bits of orange? A pink octopus! A yellow starfish! And a purple dolphin! Are you done?
Yeah.
You gonna zip it up?
Mom.
Let's count how many are in there.
Yeah.
Let's count them. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 10 sea creatures. Are we all finished? I'll zip it up. All done. See ya. Bye. Are you gonna cook us some lunch, Brian?
Yeah.
Oh, what are we gonna have? Lobster. that looks yummy, Ryan.
Hot.
Oh, is it hot?
Yeah.
Oh, careful not to burn your hands, hey. Blow on it.
Yeah.
Who's that for? Is that for Baba?
Yeah.
Should I get him a chair so he can sit and eat some?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, I'll get him a chair. For Baba? You're cooking up starfish. Mmm, yummy.
With me.
Is that for you?
Yeah.
Mmm. A blue whale.
I eat.
You're gonna eat the blue whale. It's got a number on the back of it. Oh, what number's that? Number 7.
I eat fishing.
Oh, a fish. Red crab. There's a few extra things there too. There's a little man and a shark and a Lego piece.
Hot.
Oh, a bit hot.
Yeah.
Ah. What colour is that fishy?
Bubble.
Purple. You blowing on it to make it cool.
Hot.
A bit hot. All done. Clean up time. Put that away. Okay. Thanks for lunch. Is Zach and Ray?